Well, this is sobering news tonight. Arizona has the highest fatality rate on U.S. interstates. That's according to a report from TRIP. That's a transportation research nonprofit.
Yeah, ADOT was quick to say that unwanted ranking isn't because of the highways themselves, it's because of all of our drivers. Spencer Blake has an in-depth look.
The latest TRIP report says we have the deadliest interstates in the country, with 1.09 deaths for every 100 million vehicle miles traveled.
Traffic safety is a function of engineering, enforcement, and education. And when we see numbers like in Arizona, where the traffic fatality rate is higher than the national average, in this case the highest on all interstates in the country, obviously the Transportation Department has to look at all of those.
Central units for report of a wrong way northbound I-17 at 16th Street.
Arizona has been plagued with wrong-way drivers and crashes in recent years. But ADOT says the engineering isn't the problem. They point to driver behaviors like impaired driving and not wearing seatbelts. The department also points out that traffic fatalities last year reached a 3-year low. In other categories in the report, Arizona did quite well. Just 2% of our interstate pavement was in poor condition, and only 1% of our bridges were structurally deficient. Our interstates are also getting more use.
The amount of travel on the interstates far outpaces the amount of capacity that's been added.
Travel on them has gone up 15% in Arizona since 2000. That's why TRIP is urging Congress to start throwing money at the entire interstate system nationwide, which is now 64 years old.
It's also very critical that the new program provide adequate flexibility to state and local governments so that they can make the investments that are the best suited for their transportation needs.
Despite the dubious distinction as the deadliest, ADOT says the overall report shows Arizona is dedicated to strict safety standards. I'm Spencer Blake for Arizona's Family.